Impact of luminal alpha-glucosidase inhibition on lipogenic and glycemic enzymes in obese diabetic rats, consequences for the treatment of type 2 diabetes. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The global prevalence of obesity plus T2DM is approaching endemic proportions throughout much of industrialized society, with no easy resolution on the horizon. In these conditions, the activities of certain insulin-linked glycemic and lipogenic enzymes including gluconase, malic enzyme, and glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase typically become elevated as consistent contributors to the elevations in plasma lipid profiles and relative adiposity that are also typically observed in such individuals. The use of miglatol, an alpha-glucosidase inhibitor, has been shown to cause a dose-related delay in luminal sucrose digestion in the upper regions of the small intestine, and in an attenuated and delayed response in the glycemic excursions that normally follow a carbohydrate meal. This study aims to determine the effect of delayed carbohydrate, sucrose, digestion in type 2 diabetes mellitus on the activity of glycemic and lipogenic enzyme parameters. Groups: N is equal to 6 to 8 group, mean BW to 64 plus or minus 5 gram versus to 63 plus or minus 4 gram, of young adult male obese T2DM, diabetic, SHR until CP rats were fed a nutritionally complete USDA-formulated diet containing 54% sucrose, control, or the same diet with 150 mg of the luminal alpha-glucosidase inhibitor miglatol, MIG, for up to 8 weeks. Standardized analytical procedures established in our laboratory were utilized to quantify the findings. All the collected data were analyzed via standard statistical procedures including student t-test, ANOVA, and Page's L-test for trend analysis. All animals demonstrated profound 4+ glycosuria by 8 weeks of age to confirm T2DM. Body weight gain, BWG, relative adiposity and glycosuria were elevated in control animals but decreased significantly following miglatol. Measures of oral glucose tolerance, OGT, 250 mg glucose kg/BW, via gauge, AUC for glucose and insulin response to OGT, and glycated hemoglobin, HbA1c, were elevated in controls and decreased by 20% after miglatol treatment. Hepatic gluconase, GK, malic enzyme, ME, and glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase, G6PD, were elevated in the controls and decreased toward normalization following miglatol treatment. In conclusion, these observations indicate that an 8-week course of miglatol is an effective agent in improving the magnitude of the elevated glycemic and lipogenic enzymes and their impact on developing adiposity in the SHR until CP genetic rat strain of obesity plus T2DM, and may be an effective adjunct in clinical management of obesity, hyperlipidemia, and T2DM. In future studies, it would be productive to extend the luminal therapeutic options beyond the post-adolescent life stage of this investigation to more fully determine the long-term potential of the physiological benefits of luminal alpha-glucosidase inhibition health and longevity in an animal model predisposed to early onset obesity, insulin resistance, and T2DM. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.